Myself, along with our leader of opposition, Chalwadi Narayan Swamiji, our senior MLA and former minister, Prabhu Chauhanji, our Shailendra Beldale, all our MLAs, we are visiting Bidar district today because farmers are in great distress due to heavy rains and since the water has been released from the Maharashtra reservoirs, farmers and poor people are totally affected. So I demand state government, Siddaramaiah government, they should come to the rescue of the farmers. Just issuing statement sitting in Bangalore will not serve the purpose. Revenue Minister, Agriculture Minister, everybody they should visit the spot. They should come to Kalyana, Karnataka. They should understand the ground reality. And our demand is they should release the compensation to the farmers immediately. They should release the compensation for the needy people, for the poor people who lost their homes. They are on the streets today. So the state government should come to the rescue of the people.
Our revenue minister not visited in Bidar district. Lot of crop damages.
No. I have been telling the Congress government they are limited only to Bangalore city. The people of Karnataka, Kalyana Karnataka, they are asking whether Chief Minister is the Chief Minister for Bangalore or for entire Karnataka. Concerned district in charge minister is absent. Revenue Minister is nowhere available in Karnataka. Agriculture Minister is only limited to Mandya district. If this is the case, how will people trust this state government? And when in this kind of crisis, is it not the responsibility of the Congress government, state government to come to the rescue? So I demand Siddaramaiah government to come to the rescue. Earlier during BJP tenure, when Yediyurappa was the Chief Minister, there was severe flood. Yediyurappa travelled across Karnataka, Kalyan Karnataka, Kittur Karnataka. He did not wait for central government to release the NDR of money. State government he acted immediately and released the compensation. So I demand Siddaramaiah to act in the same manner. He should come to the rescue of the farmers.